Hey guys, what is up and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be playing some Splatoon on Cemu emulator. So let's switch over to full screen first of all and let's get into it. So I am playing this game using my DualShock 4 controller, as you might be able to hear me clicking on it throughout this video. So yeah, let's load in and see exactly how well this runs using this emulator and using its online mode. So online mode has basically been available in Cemu emulator for quite a long time now, but I don't know. I don't really know why I haven't played many games, because I was really enjoying playing Mario Kart on it last night. If you haven't checked out my Mario Kart video, you should check that out. So yeah, you can see that motion controls are basically, you do most of your aiming up and down, and then you use your analog sticks for left and right movement. But to be honest, I always get carried away when I'm using motion controls and I'm trying to aim all over the place. So yeah, this is basically my second game I'm ever going to be playing of this. The first one was, it was actually really good fun, but I'm a bit terrible at it, so don't expect too much. So yeah, let's just try matchmake. So searching for a battle to join. I'm pretty sure that this game is 60 FPS once you actually get into a game. But we're going to have to see, because I heard that it's 30 FPS in the lobby, that area we were previously in, but it's 60 FPS in game. So we're at 60 FPS now, so we're going to have to see how it goes. Okay, so we found 7 players fairly easily. We have a level 4, level 3, level 2, a level 9, who's probably going to wreck us, unless we get him on our team. Level 6, level 1, and then myself, the MLG level 1 player, BSoD Gaming. Oh, we got Ethan, level 4 player. So let battle commence, as it says. So this is Turf War. So what is Turf War? Turf War is ink the most turf to win. Well, that's pretty easy, and we're on Urchin Underpass. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm gonna have to sit back a little bit from my mic so I can actually use my motion controller. Okay, so I have to actually hold it up in order to use it properly. So let's just fire some stuff. Okay, what are the controls? Okay, so this is fire, that's aim, that's move. What does this button do? Oh god, that's a grenade. Can that kill me? Oh shit. Okay, I don't know if those grenades can kill you, so yeah, this turns me into a squid. What else does it do? Do I have any other moves? Let's jump. Oh, you can climb walls? Can we get up here? Can we get up here? No, you don't appear to be able to go. Okay, let's just continue on and let's go see, can we find the enemy team and let them kill us, because they're definitely going to kill us, because I suck at this game. So let's move over. Okay, can we climb up here? Let's throw a sneaky grenade over there. So fill our ink up on this on the ink. Let's get over here. Let's fire at some more walls. Okay, what was that? Why did we just glow? We don't appear to be able to cover that mirror. I have no idea what any of this stuff is. Okay. Okay, so that guy just jumped through that grating, so I'm guessing we can actually go through that grating stuff, but I don't know if it's a bug if we can't cover that stuff in ink, but because I know there was some bugs a while ago in this game that stopped you from being able to cover certain surfaces with paint, but I'm not so sure. Is it paint or is it ink? I'm actually not sure. Okay, can we get up here? I was able to get up here in the tutorial. Yeah, there we go. Oh, so glass. Okay, so glass we can't cover in paint. Total noob at this game. We can cover all of this other stuff. Let's get into it. Let's go on. Let's go fire. Let's fill up our ink again. Let's jump down here and let's... we still haven't seen anyone on the enemy team. Where the hell is the enemy team? Okay, let's just cover these walls. Do our job. Okay, so that's what it does. You press X. I'm guessing once you cover stuff in paint, you get access to certain powers, so I'm guessing my power is a shield. Okay, so we have some blue paint now anyway, so let's... I'm guessing the other team is around here somewhere, and I guess I'm about to be killed at any second. Okay, so there's the whole other team. Hide. Throw a grenade. We got him! We got a kill! We got a kill! We got a kill! Okay, so they're still there, so let's try refill this and get another cheeky grenade down there. Okay, we got a bit of server lag. Another grenade. Double kill. Nice. Okay, let's try finish off this third guy. And a third kill. Nice. Okay, so we need to fill up our ink, our own actual ink. Excuse me. Let's I'm getting too excited. This game is fucking good. This game's really fucking good. Okay, let's try get another cheeky grenade down there. Can we get another kill? Holy shit. What is that? 4 kills? 4 kills without dying? It's my best ever. Best ever. Can we get a 5th? Okay, this cheeky fucker. Where is he? Where is he? Where is he? Just try to get a grenade up there. Oh, we're stuck on their ink. Where did he go? Oh, he's just here. Does he not know I'm here? Let's get sneaky. We get a sneaky 5th kill. Nice. Okay, so let's 6 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2. Oh god, get out of here. 1. Oh. Well, Splatoon is fucking intense, confirmed. So who won? By the look of that, we absolutely wrecked them. 47% to 11.5. Ruined. Good job, boys. Good job, boys and girl. I look like a girl, even though I'm definitely a dude. So we got 1680p. Not exactly sure what that means. Ability upgrade. I guess that's good. And we pretty much stayed locked to 60 FPS at all times there. That was pretty fucking badass, to be honest. So yeah, Splatoon seems to work pretty absolutely amazingly online on Cemu emulator. In this video we were using 1440p resolution, and I know there's a lot of fixed graphics packs. I pretty much just turned them off except one that was called Octo Hacks because I wasn't exactly sure what that was, and in an online game I didn't really want to use a graphics pack that's called anything in relation to hacks, just in case it was some kind of, I don't know what it could possibly have been. But yeah, this was a pretty positive experience, to be honest. Definitely would recommend this game to anyone if you do have it, to play on Cemu emulator. That was fun. That was really, really fun. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna end the video there. So cheers for checking it out, guys. Remember to like it if you liked it, dislike it if you didn't. Let me know down in the comments if you want to see some more absolute noob Splatoon gameplay. And as always, subscribe to the channel if you want to see all future videos from me.